Hello, my name's Charlie and this is my app of the week, and here comes today's thing. Press button and then to press for Christmas, tap in, comes out, then you've got to do brush, do something to something, and then scissors, cut it off, and then if you try gel, then you hide do hair dryer. So it's funny a bit, the picture, funny. Then you stop doing it. Then blue up. Then Then got a Christmas tree, so it look nice and great.